guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this look right here. I really hope you guys like it and enjoy it. And if you are ready to watch this tutorial on how to create this look, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And now I think we're ready to slay. Whew. You guys, it smells amazing. Now I'm going to go in with this Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I know we don't want our face disappearing, so we're going to go in with primer. I'm going to use Maybelline Master Prime Primer. This blurs out and smooths. What is your favorite primer from the drugstore? I want to try something else. For foundation today, I'm going to be using NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation with my Red Technique sponge. I don't know if it's just me, but do you guys think that the Red Technique sponges have somewhat changed? Like, I feel like the application is not the same as before. Might just be me thinking that. Now to conceal and highlight, I'm gonna go in with tape. With Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just really obsessed with this. I know I use it a lot. Now to blend it, I'm also going to be bringing the concealer to my eyelids. This is going to help as primer so our shadow can stay on all day and night. Now to lock all that in place so our face doesn't move and we look flawless all day, I'm going to go in with, you already know, my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I'm going to be setting it and just pushing it in. I'm also going to be setting the rest of my face with it. Just grabbing a little bit and going around. Now we're done with the base. Now we're going to move on to the eyes, and at the end we're going to go right back to the face to snatch it up. Right now, let me zoom you guys in. There we go. Now we're up close and personal. The first shadow that I want to go with is like a vanilla shade just to set my brow bone. So it can be like a highlight. I'm going to go in with this Kat Von D Banana shade just to highlight my brow bone. Just like that. Bring some light to our under eye, and it's also going to help with the blending. I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, picking up this shade right here in the palette. It's a very light brown with a hint of yellow. This is such a beautiful shade for the crease. So this is the one I'm going to use first, and I am going to flare it out as I usually do with all my looks, because she does have like an almond shape to her eye, which I am all about. Do you guys see how this shade looks so pretty under that yellow tone highlight? Now that we have our crease smoked out, we're going to go in with a deeper brown. Now I'm going to jump in the Dare to Create 39A Morphe palette and pick up this taupey brown using that same brush. Now I'm going to put this on my crease too, but I'm going to keep it just a bit lower, so I'm not going to bring it as high. So right above where that crease line is when you open your eye, just focus it right there very lightly. Now I'm going to go in with this shade in the Tarteist Pro palette. This brown shade, it's like a light brown, Picking up this Sigma E40. I'm going to pick up that color. Duh. I'm going to grab it just a little bit, and I'm going to focus this on my crease line. Is anybody else obsessed with the new Cardi B album? It's like on replay for me. Am I the only one? Grabbing this one and just going along the edges. Who is that? Is that you? Is that you? Bye-bye. I love you. I love you. Oh, I love you. Now that we're done with our crease, we're going to move on to the last shadow. The shadow that's going to go in our lid, which is going to be black. But before I go in with black, I'm going to pick up some translucent powder and just put it under my eyes in case of any fallout. Because you guys will see me crying if this messes up. There we go. Now we're looking... I don't know how we're looking. Picking up this brush. This is an ID brush from Ulta. I'm going to use the all over shadow side of the brush, and I'm going the black from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is a black shadow. And just tap it on the lid, only on the lid. Now that it looks like that, I'm going to flip the brush around and use this little fluffy side, and I'm going to go right in the edges very lightly and just smoke that into the crease line. For the bottom lash, I'm only going to use two shades, which is going to be the black and the taupey shade that we used at the beginning. With this pencil brush, I'm going to grab a little bit of the black and I'm going to smoke that into my lash line. I am looking really weird right now because I have no eyebrows. But moving on to the next shade, that very light taupey brown, just to smoke this out even more. Because she loves a very full blown out bottom lash, which I do too. Moving on to lashes and brows. For the brows, I'm going to be using the same old same until I find a better one or another dupe for it. But NYX, it's for the brows, eyebrows on fleek. And for the lashes, today I'm going to be using DODOLASHES in these number D105. They look like these, like this. They're very long and fluffy, and I think they're going to look great with this look. I just noticed I forgot the inner corner highlight. She has a very gold shimmery look, so I'm gonna go in with this, picking up a pencil brush. No, not picking up. Yeah, picking up a pencil brush. There we go. And I'm moving on to the face. We already know she is like the queen of contours. Her cheekbones are always popping, so I'm gonna try to do that. Going in with this middle shade in the palette with this LA Color brush, I'm going to cut right here. And I'm going to turn the brush around and blend that. Picking up this brush, I'm going to go in the banana shade, and I'm going to put this under my eyes just to brighten up the look, the under eye just a bit more. Using that same highlighter, I'm going to go in and just add a little bit of highlight to the cheeks. Now for lips, I'm going to do a very nude lip. So I'm going to go in with this Milani lipstick in Bahama Beige. It's a very nude lip. And on top of that, I'm going to add this Milani lip gloss in Bare Secret. And there we go, you guys. This look is finally complete. This black smoky cat eye nude lip Kim K inspired look is finally done. I really hope you guys liked it and enjoy. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And if you want to see any more looks of me, please check out these 2 videos that I'm going to be putting up right here for you guys. And I want to do another Kim K inspired look, but that blue smoky eye that she has in her Instagram. I will probably show it to you guys in my Facebook if you have me there as a friend. And let me know if you want me to recreate that look. So, with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!